Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by making sure the TV is online and you can install apps. This saves time. On a smart TV, open the App Store and search for Gmail or Google Apps. On Android TV, use Play Store. If you're using casting or a browser, have your phone and Wi-Fi ready so you can authenticate. Make sure two-step verification is accessible via phone. Once done, sign in immediately to avoid session timeouts and speed the process. You'll now install or open Gmail and choose Sign In. This is the central step. If the TV shows a QR code or shortcode, use your phone's camera or go to Google. com/device and enter the code. This avoids slow TV keyboards. When prompted, type your email and password, and then approve any permission requests so the app can sync mail and notifications. Once signed in, the app will fetch messages. Make sure sync is enabled to keep mail current. You're almost done. Open Gmail, confirm the inbox loads and sync settings match your preferences so new mail appears. If the native app isn't on your TV, open the TV's browser and go to Mail. Google, or cast your phone's screen using Chromecast or AirPlay to view Gmail. If something fails, reboot the TV and router, reauthorize the Google account from a trusted device, and confirm Wi-Fi is stable. That single troubleshooting step resolves most sign-in issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.